Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Messenger not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have: restart your device. Restart your iPhone before getting started with complex troubleshooting method to fix this issue. Restarting your device can help solve small bugs and errors like this. So then while you have facing this issue is Messenger is not working, so restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then second solution, you have check for the latest update. So you have Messenger app is update. Check the from App Store is available the latest update. You have update the app on your iPhone is available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Wait a few seconds. Messenger is update and my iPhone is available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset network setting. Try resetting network setting if you still fast Facebook Messenger not working on your iPhone. Doing so can fix complex issues related to your device's wireless network. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then we have click on general, scroll up, then we have click on transfer or reset, then we have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then fourth solution, you have free up space on your iPhone. Another possible reason for this issue is that your device might need more space to download the update. You need free up space if that's the case. So you have open the setting, then you have click on general again, iPhone storage, then is an useless app on your iPhone available, so you must be delete. And then you have a free app space on available on your iPhone while you facing this issue. Then last solution, you have checked the internet connection on your iPhone, is provide fine correct on your iPhone, then 100% working. And so hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.